2-digit by 2-digit multiplication.
Hi, my name is Lily and I'm going to be showing you how to do 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication. So, if you have ever done 1 by 2-digit multiplication traditionally, it's going to be a little bit easier, but 2-digit by 2-digit is still a little harder, right, Sophie?
Yes.
So you got to make sure that you pay attention when you're doing 2-digit by 2-digit.
And we already labeled these, so these ones are a little easier.
But
this one is
then this
hardish because you actually have to find it in the word problem.
So, we're going to start off with 35 times 53. And so as normal, we're going to start in the ones first. These ones is always first. When doing multiplication, and addition, and subtraction, not division though. So, just multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So, 3 times 5 is 15, right?
Yep.
So, you put the 5 there. But where does the extra 10 go?
I don't know.
Good question. Well, the extra 10 goes above the 3 because you're going to be using it to, for it. But, you need a carry, right?
Yes.
So, now, 3 times 3 is 9 plus 1. Because instead of multiplying the 1, you're actually going to add the extra 10. So, that's 10, right?
Yes.
So, we have that. Now we want to cross out or scribble out that extra 10. But when you carry, you got to make sure, say you had 25 for an answer for 1. Then you would carry a 2 instead of a 1 because however many 10s there, you're going to put that number. So, there was 1 10 and 15, so you had to carry 1 10. Now, we have to put a 0 here because it's the next digit up, and we don't want to get tricked. So, now we do 5 times 5. That's 25. So, we write the 5, but now we put the 2 above the 3, right?
Yeah.
Now, 5 times 3 is 15, plus 2 equals 17, correct?
Yes.
Now, we do that. 105 times 1,000, plus 1,750. Because once you do that, you don't need to multiply anymore. Now, 5 plus 0 is 5, 0 plus 5 is 5, 1 plus 7 is 8, and 1,000, there's nothing to add to it, so you just keep the 1,000. And I got 1,855.
So is that our answer? Are we done, Lily?
Just for that problem.
Okay.
That's
And the reason why we add, because I can't find my
Because then-
finger. Because it would be too hard to multiply those, and that's
yeah,
what we
and you
used to do.
get an even worse number.
And this is easier to do than area model for some people.
Now we're going to do 24 times 35. It's a tiny bit different, I guess. It depends on how good you understand me doing that first one. So since we're doing 24 times 35, 5 times 4 is 20, right?
Yes.
So we put the 0, carry the 2. Oh my gosh, it's so loud. And then 5 times 2 is 10, but you still have that extra 2, so you need to add that too.
So that would be what number?
12. But there's nowhere else to put it. Which I don't think I told you about last time for 10. Sorry about that.
So basically, if
There's nothing else to
yeah,
multiply.
so then there's nothing to carry. So there's nothing else to carry. So you're just gonna put down both numbers. Don't forget to cross out the 2.
Yep. Thank you. Okay, now we're gonna do. We have to put the 0 because remember, when the 0 means you're going to double digits, so it means you're going to the next digit. So now we do 3 times 4, and that's 12. But since there's still things to multiply, we just carry the 1. Now we do 3 times 2, and that's 6. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7, right? So you just put the 7 there. 120 plus 720. And, well, 0 plus 0 is 0.
What are we gonna do?
4.
But you never added the thing, so what are we gonna do?
Well, we're adding right now.
Okay.
I forgot to put this on. I don't, not always. And then 7 plus 1 is 8. So our answer is 840, right?
Yes.
Sophie, I see you have a word problem, and I know you're really good at word problems. So would you like to do the word problem?
Sure.
And tell me if it's addition, multiplication, subtraction, or division, okay?
Okay. Here it is for you. Okay.
Here.
So the problem says Miss G is decorating her house for Christmas. She buys 26 strands of lights. Each strand has 58 bulbs. How many bulbs does she have in all? That's what we have to figure out. So first, I'm going to start out by underlining the important information, which we know the important information is 26 strands of lights and 58 bulbs. And the last one is how many bulbs does she have in all? So that's
No, each strand has 58 bulbs.
or each strand has 58 bulbs. And then, so I think this is multiplication because this is all about two-digit multiplication. So I'm
So,
gonna write
yes,
this.
obviously by the
It's
title
all
it's going to be.
So
So,
26 times 58 equals, we don't know. So Lily, can you tell me what 8 times 6 is?
48.
So we're going to put down the 8.
Carry the
Here's the
4.
4. No, go around. And then
Sorry about that, guys.
8 plus 2, 8 times 2 is 16, plus 4 is
20.
20. We're going to put the 20 down. And now we are going to go to
Wait,
5.
no.
Oh, yeah, I forgot to put down the 0. That is an important step. So
Make sure you always
sure you
add the
always
0
remember
when
that.
doing 2-digit by 2-digit, or 2-digit by 3-digit, or 7, or like any of those.
yeah. That's an
2-digit by
important
something.
step you always need.
2-digit by anything, you always have to put the 0.
Because
Make
you're moving on to the tens place. So 5 times 6 equals 30. So we're going to put down the 0, carry the 3. And see, if I didn't cross out this 4, I might have got mixed up with which one is mine so
Yeah.
far. So that's why you always have to cross out. So now I'm going to move to a different color. And the color will be orange. And then, and another thing people mess up is they always go straight instead of diagonal. Some people go straight 2 times 5 straight away. You're not going to get the right answer if you do that. That's why you have to do diagonal. So next we're going to do 5 times 2, which equals 10. 10 plus 3 equals
Is 13.
So, and then we're going to add. So 8 plus 0 is 8.
0 plus 0 is 0.
And then 3 plus 2 is 5. And then 1 plus 0 is 1. So our answer is she has 1,508 bulbs. It's important when you have a word problem that you actually state it instead of 1,508.
Because then they're not going to know what you mean by that. Like, it could have been 1,508 teddy bears, 1,508 chickens,
So-
1,508 lockers, like
Okay, we're done. Okay,
things like that. So
and
you have to
can
make sure you
also,
state.
you can also write 1,508
Bulbs.
bulbs, and that actually tells them that.
You mean bulbs, like light bulbs. So.
So word problems are harder. So you have to be careful because this is not addition. Because if you do addition, you're gonna get the wrong number.
So let's check this for real though.
Okay.
So, Sophie, why don't you take this?
Here, Lily,
You take this.
got it.
Okay, so how I checked this was I asked my teacher if this is my check part. I made up these problems. So
Except for the word problem.
yeah, except
See,
for
we
the
could
word
show
problem.
you that she actually wrote down the word problem.
Yeah, but
There.
yeah, but I checked this I made this up myself. I did it by myself. See right here, here's proof.
See?
Right there. I asked my teacher after I did all of these problems if they were correct, and I did it one by one because it took me 2 or 3 tries for this because the first one was a little harder for me. But that's and then that's how. And I asked my teacher if I got them correct so I could show them for this, and she said they were. I did them one by one, I think. Yeah, and I did this the other day. So, yeah. So there's my proof that I know these are correct.
Yes. Always have
And
proof.
35 times 53 is going to be 1,855. We got that, correct? Yes. Now,
You're fine.
24 times 35. We did that. I got 840 for this.
And
And
you can see, because we got it there,
that's what.
there, and there.
So that's our proof. Now for this one, I also did that one. 1,508.
Here.
And
Can I show
that's-
them how we got it right? How we got it right? Okay. See, we got it right.
1,508. It's down there.
Oh, I showed the wrong one.
It's
So we got this one right, got that one right, we got that one right.
Make sure
we have
whenever you do it, you have proof. Whenever like you're showing something that you have proof that you know it's correct, and have it corrected by an adult or someone that you know can do it really, really well. Unless you know you can do it really, really well.
Yes, and this can take a while to catch on because when I first did it, I didn't know how to do it, so I just kept doing area model.
It took me like
A couple days to
like,
actually get it right.
Yeah, it took me at least a week or two
Yeah,
to
so-
actually
so
get
don't get
2-digit
worried.
by 2-digit
So-
correct traditional way.
Yeah, so if you don't know that you got it right and you know not everybody's going to get it right, you could just do the area model and do that right.
If you know how to do area.
Yeah. So, is that it, Lily?
Or ask an adult and
Yes.
you got it correct.
So, is that it, Lily?
Yeah.